all right. It's 6 degrees outside. Snow's beginning to fall, so what do? You make wild hog sausage, biscuits, and gravy, of course. Starting off with a pound of wild hog sausage that I processed myself. Check out my YouTube channel about that. Hey, look at that right there. Don't that pretty? Brown it till you get it to the consistency that you want. All right, always have a good gravy spoon, just like one my mom had. She left this for me after she left this world. I love it. All right, I didn't have any bacon dripping, so I'm using some canola oil. You're gonna add flour to that and just keep stirring on that cast iron skillet, low to medium heat. Keep stirring it till you get the color that you want, and you're gonna add milk until you get the consistency that you want. One of my favorite barbecue rubs on the planet, Poncho and Lefty Black Gold, granulated garlic, pepper, sea salt, then add back that sausage that you browned and keep adding milk until you get the consistency you want, and boom, you're done. Look at that. Get some good old biscuits right there covered up with that luscious gravy. I always add hot sauce. You do what you want. Look at that. It's good. Now the best part, the tasting part. Check this out. This stuff is so good. Big shout out to my friends at No Limit Outfitting up on the Drummond Ranch is where this hog came from. Give it a try.